Hello and welcome back to Steam It with Steve. So after the last couple ones here in our coding combat challenge. So if we go up here, we're up to 17, the final Kith maze. So let's see what happens here. To escape, you must find your way through an Elder Kithman's maze. Sounds a little bit interesting. So you're going to have to defeat ogres, navigate the maze, and do it all under 10 statements. Cool. So this looks like a bit of a loop, doesn't it? Because it's going to have the same pattern. So let's have a look at the first one, what happens. So we're going to move across one, up one, attack. Then we want to move down two, move up one, and then it looks like it's the same pattern each time. So we basically need to get it to there after going across to this one. So we can also use the find nearest because we don't have the name above it anymore. So we're going to use the find nearest enemy to work out what this name is and then have the repeating pattern going on. So while this is true, we can get rid of the pass. And what we're going to do is go hero.move right, hero.move up. Then we're going to go hero.find nearest enemy.
Luraberka.
And that's not going to work because we need to put it into a variable. So we're going to go enemy. Go, yeah, just say enemy is equal to that. And then we're going to go hero.attack enemy. Then hopefully we'll be to the right, but I think he will actually go back. So let's just make sure we can always delete this later. We're going to go hero.move right, which will make him move down to the next one. So we then want to go hero.move down, and we want him to go down 2. That will collect the gem, and then we want the hero to move up. Well, not hero.move up. Cool, so this should now move right, move up, find that enemy, attack him, it'll move back, then move right, then down 2. I'm just going to put this, I'm going to cut that one out. I'm just going to put it up there. So it's going to force the hero to move right anyway, so then we won't have any confusion about what position that he needs to be in. So let's just run that and see what happens.
Move right. Move up. Move right. I see you. Move up.
Not so good. Okay, cool. So we've learned something with that. So let's get rid of that one. Let's go down. Then we'll put the move hero right there. Then we need another hero attack, don't we? Because he's a stronger hero than the archers that we've previously faced. Let's see what happens now.
Move right. Move up. I see you.
Cool. Goes
Move
down.
Move up.
Back up. And then it goes
Move
back to
right.
the beginning of the loop. So it's going to move
Move
right.
up.
Move up.
I
Find the
see you.
nearest enemy. Attack that twice. Go cross right.
Move down.
Down 2. Then back
Move
up.
up.
Then it goes back
Move
to the
right.
beginning. Move right.
Move up.
Find the nearest
I
enemy.
see.
Attack twice. Move right.
Move down.
Move down twice. Then move up.
Move up.
And then it goes again with the loop.
Move right.
Move right. Cool. That's pretty complicated. We've done a pretty good job there, I think. So, we're getting towards the end. I think we've only got 2 left now. If we go back to the map. Yeah. So we've basically got the 18th to get out. Or we can go across this combo safe palace. So I think we'll have a go at that in the next one around. So hopefully you picked up, this is sort of the ultimate merge of all the skills that we've learned in one go. So you should now know how to do the while loop, how to find the nearest enemy, and then also how to navigate and move around inside of the mazes. Thank you very much and see you next time on Steam with Steve. Adios.